Chapter 2, Exercise 2b, Question 1m. So here's the question, and the problem is that we have x's and non-x's all mixed up, and also that we have two denominators, a t on the left and a p on the right. We want to get rid of them because they're in the mess, they're in the way. And the way we get rid of them is we clear the denominators from both sides, and the way we do that, first of all, is we multiply by t. If we multiply by t on both sides, we'll get rid of the t on the left, and that will give us p minus qx plus pt, because we've multiplied everything by t, so the p also gets multiplied by t, and on the right we'll have t times whatever we had before. Now we've still got the p on the on the right, so we now need to multiply everything by the p, and therefore on the left we'll get p squared minus pqx plus p squared t, and on the right that t on the bottom will just disappear. And the other thing we've done on the right is we multiplied out that bracket, so the t is multiplied by qx and then by minus t. So now we've got no denominators, but what we now need to do is sort out, so we have the x's on one side and everything else without an x on the other side. So what we're going to do now is collect the terms, and we might have to move things over the equal sign, of course, changing the sign as we go. So what we want on the left is things which don't have an x. So we've got p squared plus p squared t, and we'll take over the t squared from the right to the left. What we're now going to have on the right is just the things that involve x. So we've got a tqx, that was there before, and we'll add the pqx. So now we've got all the things involving x on the right side and all the things not involving x on the left side. Let's just put that again exactly where we were. And now we want to factorize the term on the right so that we just have a coefficient times x. So we can see there's a factor of x in both the tqx and the pqx. So when we've done the factorizing, it will look like this. The left is unchanged, and the right now looks like that. So now we have on the right x just times some coefficient, so we divide the whole thing, both sides, by that coefficient. And that means on the left we now have, we've got just x on its own equals p squared plus p squared t plus t squared divided by that coefficient. And that's the answer. We could take it just a little bit further. We could factorize the bottom because we just have a q on the bottom there. So we could say that is going to equal p squared plus p squared t plus t squared on the top divided by, take out a factor of q and leave t plus p inside the bracket.